My name is Azreen Yasmin from DPM 3A. My metric number is 19 DPM 18F 2006. Today I would like to comparison about boots between Mountain Explorer boots and Rainforest Walker. Today I would like to talk about Mountain Explorer boots. Mountain Explorer boot is Mountain Explorer boots. Mountain Explorer boot is comfortable for those who like to hiking because it is water resistant, and then this boot provide adequate support to both your ankle and then support your foot. They prevent to ankle from twisting while walking, and then it is blister and do not restrict the movement of your ankle. But the price is a little bit expensive, and then this shoe is really comfortable. Trust me, this review is really from the bottom of my heart. To everyone who like hiking, you should buy this shoe. Trust me, this is really work. Okay, thank you. That's all my review for today.
Hello, my name is Yasmin Surya. My metric card number is 19 DPM 18F 2035. Now I am going to do a comparison between Rainforest Walker hiking boots and Mountain Explorers hiking boots. This hiking boots is cheaper than Mountain Explorers because the difference of the price is $15 only. These hiking boots have good traction in drier condition, but on trails that sometimes it becomes slick or muddy, their grip is diminished. This hiking boot is comfortable, but it is not waterproof like Mountain Explorers because this Rainforest Walker made from cotton fabric. Sometimes it is possible to skip over the water on the rocks, but sometimes it is not. But just one slip can make this boot becomes wet and heavy. Last but not least, these Rainforest Walker boots are lighter enough to move easily, more than the Mountain Explorers hiking boots. Thank you. Bye.